So I think that's it. I think it would be good to open it up for questions for the last 2 or 3 minutes that we have.
So, Nancy, thank you both. I have a question about the Paradise transmission line and the last point you made. With the boundaries being outside the project area, so they're not defined. So, what is the sort of the repercussion of that, or is that a positive or a negative or not? How is that meaningful in the long run?
That's from TOPOC. I don't know that it's a positive or a negative. I just know that many agencies and state historic preservation officers are struggling with how to address this boundary issue, and what we're finding is that sometimes the best way forward is to recognize the entire landscape in some way, but only to deal with the piece that is on the table for this project.
I see. I get it.
So that I think this is a step along the path of having better identification of our cultural landscapes and our boundaries. I think that 10 years ago we wouldn't have considered that.
Yeah.
So I just bring these up as examples. And I saw Mary Hopkins was signed in. I invite anybody from Wyoming who wants to chime in on the Lander Trail case and how that was handled to do so.
Are you there, Mary?
Actually, no, Mary's not. This is Richard Currit.
Richard, hi. Anything to add on that one?
Well, it was a pretty interesting case, and it was a really good mitigation package. About the only other thing I can add beyond that is that on June 20th and 21st, there will be a celebration in Pinedale, Wyoming, to celebrate the opening of the interpretive park they're doing there, and also to celebrate the listing of the Green River Drift. So if you're in Pinedale...
For a plug. Richard and I didn't even plan that, I swear. Anybody else? Thanks, Richard. Any other questions for Nancy or Valerie? Well, I think we'll get to your points as we really get into the the nitty-gritty of our discussion of where we're going with these conversations. You raised a lot of issues.